This is Del Otse Nango Kennel Club, Saturday, June 7th, Master Interior Trial 1, Room 1. The threshold was our start line. Our search area was most of this classroom. The search area ended here where these pink dots are, so we just drew a line with those all the way down to here. We did have a toy in the search area. The space behind the teacher's desk here was out of play. The rest of the room was in play. This room was blank. We had a really nice success rate in this room. A lot of handlers read their dogs really very nicely. We did have a few false alerts, but overall, there was a really nice effort and really nice teamwork by all the teams. From this room, we went into room 2. There was a threshold start line. This part of the classroom was all in play. We had a boundary here with these green dots extending all the way to the back, coming out this way. And we had a boundary marker right here. So it was just the front half of the word wall that was in play, as well as all this space. There were 2 hides here, fairly close proximity. We had a hide tucked underneath this board. This hide was wrapping around the opposite side of the word wall because that was our exit door. And so that odor was being pulled. The second hide was under the corner of this table on this side. And with the door opening and closing, we did have a little bit of bellows effect that the odor was coming out. The dogs were catching it along here. Some dogs actually caught it on this side of the table. Other dogs were working this side of the table. One of the challenges in this room was for the handlers to realize that close proximity hides were a possibility. The dogs showed interest in one and then started to work the other. And at that point, the handlers felt that they had cleared this area. Everyone did a really great job. Congratulations to everyone. This was room 3 of the Master Interior Trial 1. Our start line was here at the blue tape. We had green dots delineating a boundary that went all the way to the wall. There were 2 hides in this search. There was a hide underneath this chair here. This hide was tracking underneath the edge of the board. Dogs were picking it up here and working back to it. There was a second hide in this room, which was inaccessible. It was actually inside the play oven. Dogs did a really nice job of working this, either catching it from this side, or if they caught the chair hide first, when they came around, they worked a little bit of converging odor on this table and went straight in towards the little oven. Really nice work. The teams that got into this room did a fantastic job. Overall, we had really wonderful teams for every search. Everyone really did a great job. Congratulations to everyone.